JEE Main 2023 January chapter wise questions. I know nowadays you people are busy with your board exams and all, but after board examination, JEE Main second session, there is a small gap, and these will be helpful for your bit set examination also. So, must see all these questions, right? General principles and process of isolation, that means metallurgy lesson. Reverberatory furnace, okay na, reverberatory furnace is for copper. Electrolytic cell is for aluminium, blast furnace is for pig iron, and zone refining process is for silicon type of semi metals. Direct question it is. The metal which is extracted by oxidation and subsequent reduction from its ore, this is leaching process, applicable for silver and gold. For silver is added with cyanide to form AgCN, taken twice minus charge. Later it is treated with zinc so that it forms silver pure. Leaching process. Which one of the following reactions does not occur during extraction of copper? Copper extraction purpose, you can see all these reactions, but there is no calcium silicate formation. This reaction is not there. Pure NCERT question. Complete memory based, you need to check. Copper sulfide converted to copper oxide. Iron sulfide, sulfide ore converted to iron oxide. Iron oxide impurity removed in the form of iron silicate. Next question. In froth flotation method, a rotating paddle agitates the mixture to drive air out of it. Statement 2. Iron pyrites are generally avoided for extraction of iron due to environmental reasons. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. In froth flotation method, a rotating paddle draws in air and strips the pulp. So statement 1 is false and 2 is right. Okay, now to drive air out of it, na, that is inside of it. So you must be very careful in reading the NCERT also. Question number 5. 29 January shift 1. The reaction represented the Mons process. Mons process is for nickel. Okay, nickel, and this you are getting vapors, nickel tetracarbonyl vapors. Later it is decomposed to form nickel solid. Easy question, lucky. The major component of which of the following ore is sulfide based mineral? Calamine is zinc carbonate, we know. Siderite is iron carbonate, FeCO3. Sphalerite is zinc sulfide, so obviously this is your answer. And malachite is copper carbonate, copper hydroxide. Correct? So coming to the next question. In the extraction of copper, its sulfide ore is heated in a reverberatory furnace after mixing with silica. To separate, the role of silica is to remove the iron oxide in the form of iron silicate. This question just now we have seen. So about copper extraction, 2 questions in 2023, first session, right? Question number 8. During electrolytic refining, the pure metal is made act as anode and impure metal functions like cathode. Wrong. It is reverse given. It is cathode. Pure metal is cathode. Impure metal is anode. It is statement 1 is wrong. During the Hall-Herold's electrolysis process, purified Al2O3 is mixed with Na3AlF6 to lower the melting point of the mixture. In this statement, what is right? Okay. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Just now we were discussing. Pure metal is always cathode, impure metal is anode. And aluminum extraction process, purification process is Hoops method. See here, question number 9. The methods not involved in the concentration of ore is, okay, now here it is given a list of methods involved in the concentration of ore is hydraulic washing. This is used to remove the lighter gang particles. Froth flotation, this is for sulfide ores, you can use this one. Magnetic separation we use generally, magnetic separation is not mentioned here. So not involved he is asking. Not involved asking means leaching also we can use to remove the impurities. Liquation and electrolysis, these are not used. Electrolysis is for getting metals from metal oxides. Liquation is for purification of metals, A and C. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? Which one of the following statements are incorrect? Boron and indium can be purified by zone refining method, right? Because zone refining is for semi-metals. Van Arkel method is used to purify tungsten. I don't think so. According to NCERT, Van Arkel method is for titanium and zirconium. Okay, now Van Arkel process is for purification of titanium, zirconium, hafnium, and boron also mentioned here. So you can take it. This is incorrect statement. Remaining two statements are right. So coming to the one more question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, second is labeled as reason. In an Ellingham diagram, the oxidation of carbon to carbon monoxide shows a negative slope with respect to temperature, right? This is absolute right. Carbon monoxide tend to get decomposed at higher temperature. This, I don't think so. This is right statement. Okay. So the slope is negative. As temperature increases, becomes more negative, thus it has lower tendency to get decomposed, right? Statement 1 is right. Statement 2 is wrong. That is, assertion is right, reason is not correct. Among the following compounds, the number of those present in copper matte is. Copper matte, we get FeS and Cu2s. Okay, now Cu2s is available. He is asking among the following compounds the number of those present in CuCO3, Cu2O, Cu2s. Maybe iron oxide is not present, iron sulfide is present. Okay, copper matte. Thank you. With the remaining chapters, we'll meet soon. So, what is the final conclusion about the metallurgy? Read line to line NCERT, that's enough. And you can see 12 questions are there. So, in every session, there is a question. So, mandatory questions. You have to read metallurgy, no exceptions. Thank you. Good day.